From the thrill of watching the Bitcoin market to the buzz of making a digital transaction, the world of cryptocurrency is exciting, but also a realm where frugality can lead to significant gains. Let's dive into the strategies that can help Bitcoin enthusiasts not only save more Satoshi but also enhance their financial stability in the digital age. Tip 1: Master Bitcoin-backed reward programs. Delve into Bitcoin-backed reward programs, which operate similarly to cash-back rewards but pay out in Bitcoin. Utilize these programs for your regular purchases, from groceries to online subscriptions, effectively earning Bitcoin on expenditures you're already making. Research and choose platforms that align with your spending patterns to maximize your Bitcoin rewards. Tip 2: Opt for exchanges and wallets with minimal fees. In the Bitcoin ecosystem, transaction and service fees can vary widely among exchanges and wallets. Spend time comparing these platforms to find ones that offer the lowest fees for your typical transactions. Consider also the security, user interface, and customer service of these platforms, as lower fees should not come at the expense of these critical features. Tip 3: $3 cost averaging for Bitcoin investment. DCA involves regularly buying a fixed dollar amount of Bitcoin regardless of its price. This strategy can reduce the impact of volatility and lower the average purchase price over time. Set up automatic purchases through your chosen exchange to streamline this process, making investing in Bitcoin both disciplined and effortless. Tip 4: Securing investments with hardware wallets. The security of your Bitcoin holdings is paramount. Hardware wallets offer robust protection by storing your cryptocurrency offline, safe from online threats. Though it's an upfront investment, the security a hardware wallet provides is invaluable, potentially saving you from the distress and financial loss of digital theft. Tip 5: Active participation in the Bitcoin community. Engage with the vibrant Bitcoin community through forums, social media, and local meetups. This engagement can offer insights into emerging trends, saving strategies, and investment opportunities. Sharing experiences and strategies with fellow enthusiasts can also provide support and encouragement, particularly during market downturns. Tip 6: Long-term holding versus frequent trading. While trading Bitcoin can be tempting, it often requires expertise and can incur significant fees and taxes. For most investors, holding Bitcoin for the long term, often referred to as hodling, may be a more straightforward and potentially more profitable strategy, especially considering Bitcoin's historical price appreciation. Tip 7: Commit to ongoing crypto education. The cryptocurrency landscape is constantly evolving, with new technologies and regulations emerging. Dedicate time to educate yourself about these changes through courses, webinars, and reputable news sources. Understanding the market can help you make informed decisions and potentially identify new opportunities for saving or growing your Bitcoin holdings. Tip 8: Utilizing the Lightning Network for transactions. For smaller, everyday transactions, the Lightning Network offers a solution with much lower fees than traditional Bitcoin transactions. Learning how to use this network can save you money on transaction fees and make using Bitcoin for daily purchases more viable. Tip 9: Earning Bitcoin through freelancing. The gig economy offers numerous opportunities to earn Bitcoin directly, bypassing the need to purchase it. Look for freelance gigs or part-time jobs that pay in Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies, which can diversify your income streams and bolster your Bitcoin holdings. Tip 10: Implement a wait before you buy strategy. Given Bitcoin's volatility, implementing a waiting period before making significant purchases or investments can prevent impulsive decisions. This cooling-off period allows you to consider the necessity of the purchase and the current market conditions, potentially saving you from making costly mistakes. Tip 11: Conduct regular subscription audits. Digital subscriptions can slowly erode your funds. Periodically review all your subscriptions, especially those you pay for with Bitcoin or that could be paid with Bitcoin, and cancel any that are no longer valuable. Redirect these funds into your Bitcoin savings or investment strategies. Tip 12: Automate Bitcoin savings. Automation can play a crucial role in disciplined saving. Some services allow you to automatically convert a portion of your paycheck into Bitcoin, simplifying the process of regularly increasing your Bitcoin holdings without manual intervention. Tip 13: Explore Bitcoin lending for passive income. Bitcoin lending platforms can provide an avenue for earning interest on your Bitcoin. However, it's crucial to research and understand the risks involved. Choose reputable platforms and consider diversifying your lending to mitigate risk. Tip 14. Stay informed on network fees. Bitcoin transaction fees fluctuate based on network congestion. By staying informed about these changes and planning your transactions accordingly, you can save on fees. Tools and websites that track transaction fees can help you decide the best times to send Bitcoin. Tip 15. Resist the urge to follow FOMO. The cryptocurrency market is susceptible to hype and FOMO, leading to rash buying decisions during price spikes. Stick to your investment strategy and avoid making decisions based on the fear of missing out, which can lead to buying high and potentially selling low. Tip 16. Diversify within cryptocurrency. While Bitcoin may be your primary focus, diversifying your cryptocurrency portfolio can spread risk and potentially expose you to other assets with strong growth prospects. Research other cryptocurrencies with solid fundamentals and consider how they fit into your overall investment strategy. Tip 17. Prepare a digital will. Ensure your Bitcoin and digital assets are not lost in the event of your unexpected passing. Setting up a digital will or estate plan that includes instructions for accessing your cryptocurrency can secure your legacy and ensure your assets are transferred according to your wishes. Tip 18. Leverage Bitcoin-friendly reward cards. Credit cards and debit cards that offer Bitcoin rewards can be an excellent way to passively accumulate Bitcoin on everyday purchases. Compare available cards to find ones that offer the best rewards for your spending habits. Tip 19. Optimize your crypto tax strategy. Understanding the tax implications of your cryptocurrency transactions can lead to significant savings. Utilize specialized crypto tax software or consult with a tax professional knowledgeable in cryptocurrency to ensure you're maximizing deductions and minimizing your tax liability. Tip 20. Meticulously track your Bitcoin transactions. Keeping detailed records of your Bitcoin transactions, investments, and spending can provide valuable insights into your financial habits and investment performance. Use apps, spreadsheets, or specialized software to track your Bitcoin activity, helping you make informed decisions about future transactions and investments. Incorporating these detailed strategies into your approach to Bitcoin can enhance your ability to save and grow your investments effectively. Each tip is designed to equip you with the knowledge and tools necessary to navigate the complexities of cryptocurrency, ensuring a more informed, disciplined, and successful investment journey.